Determination of compacting factor of freshly mixed concrete. This experiment is to determine the workability of concrete, that is compacting factor. Aim of the experiment is to determine the compacting factor of the given freshly mixed concrete. The ingredients, materials required are cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and water with the proper proportion or the given proportion. Apparatus, compacting factor apparatus, which consists of the top hopper, and then it is also a frustum of a cone, inverted cone, and bottom hopper with a lid which can be opened or closed, and then the measuring cylinder. Trowel, scoop, measuring jar for water. With respect to the volume batching or weight batching, with the given proportions of cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate and water, weigh the cement, fine aggregate and coarse aggregate. With respect to water cement ratio, measure the water quantity. Mix the cement, fine aggregate and coarse aggregate in dry condition till you get uniform color. After dry mixing, add the required quantity of water with respect to the water cement ratio and obtain the fresh concrete. Mix the fresh concrete thoroughly till you get uniform color. The empty weight of cylinder, and that is taken as W1. Here the platform weighing balance is used to measure the weight of empty cylinder, that is W1. Position the empty cylinder concentrically on the openings of the cylinders, frustum of cones, the top hopper, the second hopper and the cylinder, all should coincide in a line. Check the alignment and close the lids of bottom hopper, top hopper. Now fill the fresh concrete in the top hopper using the scoop. Lubricant on the hopper's top hopper, bottom hopper and on cylinder so that there is no sticking of concrete in the hoppers as well as on cylinders. Keep the fresh concrete nearby the apparatus and using scoop fill the top hopper. Pour fresh concrete. Pour the concrete gently. Level the brim of the concrete. Open the bottom lid. Open the bottom lid. So the concrete in the top hopper comes to the second hopper. Now open the bottom hopper lid. The concrete in the bottom hopper comes and filled in the cylinder. Trim the excess concrete, level the concrete in the cylinder. Level the concrete. wipe off the excess concrete in the cylinder and take the weight of fresh concrete, that is partially filled concrete in the cylinder. So weight of partially compacted concrete plus the weight of cylinder is W2. Empty the partially compacted concrete, empty the cylinder by pouring the concrete into the tray. Now keep the empty cylinder on vibrating table and fill the freshly mixed concrete in layers by applying vibration so that the concrete is compacted fully. Level the concrete. Now take the fully compacted concrete with the cylinder, measure the weight. This is W3. Therefore, compacting factor is equal to weight of partially compacted concrete divided by weight of fully compacted concrete, that is W2 minus W1 divided by W3 minus W1. This gives you the compacting factor of freshly mixed concrete.